let's get back to cleaning. Bean bag. Hi, welcome back. I've not vlogged in forever. I don't actually think I've vlogged at all this semester. It has been crazy adjusting to uni life, but we have made it. But I finished semester 1 and my room is a mess. So I want to do a massive reset. I want to wash my shoes, clean my room. I did do half a deep clean when I first finished everything, but it's just become a little bit of a mess. So we're going to do that today. And I thought, why not make a video to give me some motivation? I also need to fix my nails because I've been picking at them, so they need to be redone as well. So we have lots to do and not that much time to do it. We actually have lots of time to do it. That was a big fat lie on my end. But yeah, I'm gonna make myself some coffee and I see the dishwasher needs to be packed, so I'm gonna do that. Hopefully that boosts morale and motivation. My room's actually a lot worse than I expected. Because I forgot that I have clothes that I didn't unpack from Courtney. Because I went out last weekend and I slept over at her house. So we have a lot to do. But I'm going to start with my bed, which you cannot see. I've been rotting the whole day. Because it's currently 11. And I'm only getting out of bed now. And I've literally been up since 6. But I think I'm going to listen to my audiobook. Because I have like 2 hours left. Can you shush? So I think I'm going to listen to that. And then I have a Frida audiobook that I'm also going to listen to while I carry on. But I'm not going to show you making my bed and just cleaning up my side table because that's quite boring. But when something interesting happens, I will let you know. I don't know where to go next. I grabbed a bag for the trash because I have trash in my side table that needs to be sorted. And I'm thinking I want to tackle this corner here because it's been the same for a really long time and I'm thinking it's time for a change. And I think also my shelf needs a change and I need to dust my Lego flowers and I need to find more permanent spaces for some of these books because they're just all over the show. So I think I'm going to do that. And then I'll attack my clothes that need to be sorted out. And my desk also needs a good refresh and there's things that need to go in my cupboard but I don't actually have space for. So I need to find places and throw things away and do a whole bunch of things. So yeah, my little like things on my shelf, I have like my little Bliss Pet Shops. They're like a little not omen, that's not right, but like little things for my pets that I had at my mom's house that I don't see anymore. I have a little dog that's kind of like my dog at a beagle, so that's my Chester. Lily doesn't look like this, but I kind of want to customize it to look like Lily because she kind of looked the same. So this is my Lily, and then I just have a duck because I love ducks. But these also need to clean, so I'm going to rinse them. But I'm using Charlotte's sink because my sink drains. And I don't think hers does. Like while the tap is closed, her tap works like a tap. So I think I'm going to use hers. So that's what I'm going to do while I'm cleaning all of them. I'm going to let them soak for a bit. I'm going to let that get warm and do that. And I think my bathroom definitely needs a clean. So that also. And my beanbag is also lopsided. Also there's Teddy graveyard there because my ex gave me like 6 teddies and I don't know what to do with them and I don't have space where the rest of my teddies are up there. So we're gonna need to make a plan. We'll make a plan though. I have faith. Since I'm cleaning those other little things, I think I need to clean all of them and I need to get Melissa down. So I thought this is how I reach things in my room as a short clean. Also this chair is basically broken. I do want to, once I start getting money, I want to get a nice cute pink one. But we work with what we have and I love her. I've not taken her down in months and I love Melissa. I've had her since I was literally a baby. Hobby, are you seeing the pigeons? Such a queen. And I don't know how I could clean Ollie, so I'm not gonna. Because I choose peace. And also my Taylor Swift duck I think is fine. but the rest I don't actually think I need to clean. It's more of a dusting situation. So that's how I reach anything in my room, even to get to the top of my cupboard. We stand right now, so yeah. I don't know if this is gonna fit in the sink and it might just float. Yeah, we saw that coming. We're just gonna, that works. These flowers have okay, these flowers have been so disgustingly dirty and they're finally clean, and I think they look so cute. I love them. They're my favorite actually. I'm also gonna change the sign now. I don't know what I'm gonna put on it. I'm gonna debate it for a bit more, but it needs to go like 3 weeks ago. Okay, we landed on who cares, because who the freak cares what you do? Live your life. Preach, sister. Yeah, now I'm gonna wipe this mirror ball down because it is so dirty. Yeah, she was hanging and then her string detached, so she's not hanging anymore. I missed her hanging, but it's fine. Whatever. And once I get my boys' atonement and those last few things down, I'm gonna take off the shelf, wipe it down fully, and put it back. And then I don't know if all these things are gonna go back on that shelf or what's gonna happen. We'll decide. I'm convinced that the shelf is gonna be it for tonight, because this is taking me so long and I still have so many things to find spaces for. So yeah, but it's looking really cute. I think the space in the middle is like putting me off because there's nothing in the middle on all of them. But I've also moved my CDs there so I can see them all, which I like a lot more. And I have my feature CDs, which is my Taylor Swift and Olivia Dean. The motivation's definitely hit a low, and I like literally just finished. Oh, I moved my flowers there, which I like because then I can wake up and look at them. I also made that coffee. I have not taken a single sip, literally not even a sip. So we're gonna drink some of this now because my new ADHD meds have ruined my appetite. So I'm trying to get some food and calories in through my coffee because I added honey. So that's a good coffee. I'm a fan. It is day 2 of the reset. My room feels like such a mess, so I'm really excited. But I love my shelf. Hope do you like the shelf? Yeah, we do. I also have work tonight, which is exciting stuff. I'm excited to see my little babysitting kids, and I'm excited to make money, to be very honest. I think I'm gonna put on my gloves, and I think I'm gonna sort my desk out, maybe the section out, one of the two. But you know the drill, we start with making the bed. Okay, attitude, beanbag, beanbag, beanbag. Friends, friends. And I confess, babe, I wanna try again with you. No, I don't. I am gonna get changed because I've been in these sweats for a little too long. But I'm just gonna get changed into other sweats. I'm gonna get changed into one pair of factory pants into cotton long pants, and then the exact same hoodie but in a different color because I'm basic. Also, looking at my cupboard, it's not too bad. It's just like my pajama and undergarments section that has got a little out of hand because that's like where I shove stuff, but the rest isn't bad, so I'm not planning on fixing that. Don't fix something that's not broke. I'll just fix the one, and that's, yeah. No, because me too. Also, this looks like a pregnancy test. It's just wool cutter. I was crocheting yesterday. Yesterday Hudson spent 2 hours in my room doing his EGD things, trying to render things on my ChatGPT, and guess he's back. Welcome. And then I decided to play a CD, even though I literally have Raid on CD, so we're playing Take Off Your Pants and T-Shirt by Blink-182 because Hudson was speaking about it, and I have the CD, so why not use it? Do you like the flowers there?
Yeah.
I like it a lot more than on my shelf. Glad we're on the same page. I think I'm gonna put my photo, like these cute little photo strips I got with Kaya, and I have one with Charlotte. I think I'm gonna put them here. I think that's cute. And maybe like I decorate some of the photos there and stuff. Okay, that's cute. Okay. Okay. I don't hate. Ran out of storage, and now I feel like I haven't done much, and now like this is looking big, but luckily I don't see it, so I'm gonna ignore it. But this corner looking fab, and let me show you what I did. Yeah, that is like my favorite little corner. I wish those books were there. That I'm like not too sure about that yet, but we'll see. I'll wake up and see. So I have that to do, and my desk is not getting done today. That is a tomorrow issue, but I also started sorting out my 2026 box because I completely neglected it. That was my favorite part of last year, so we're on that. But yeah, Hudson's still here. Morale's running low right now. Okay, it's literally been like 2.5 hours, and it looks so much better. I literally only really have my desk and to take my washing down, but I'll do that later. So I'm quite happy. I'm glad that wall's looking a little bit better. I'm still not sure about, I think maybe I'll move the, I don't know if you can see that one up there. We'll see. But I'm gonna read now because I'm exhausted and I deserve it. So I'm gonna read and possibly take a nap because I'm working for like 6 hours tonight. So let's do it. Hey, it is Sunday. It is Father's Day. I did not clean on Saturday. I did not clean today. I've been editing in my free time, but I just don't think I'm gonna get to my desk. And I'm also sounding sick if you can't hear, but I think I'm just not gonna get to my desk, and that's okay because besides the clothes that are already there, she's great. And I'm glad I did that. So I'm gonna take that as one. I'm gonna end this here because I think it's just getting boring now, and I don't want that. But I am going on holiday next weekend, so I'm gonna try and vlog. We'll see. But yeah, I love you and you're amazing, and thanks for watching. Bye.